How to get your Snapchat account back after deleting it. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Snapchat account back after deleting it. First, open the Snapchat app and log in using the username of the account you want to reactivate. Then, make sure to do this within 30 days of deactivating the account, as Snapchat permanently deletes accounts after this period. Next, enter your username and password. Note that you cannot use your email address or phone number to log in while the account is deactivated. Additionally, changing your password during this time is not allowed. If your account is within the reactivation window, it will be restored. However, remember that permanently deleted accounts cannot be reactivated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.